Next we are discussing draw the graph of y equal to greatest integer of e power x, where this box denotes greatest integer function and also define the function. This we have to do. Now solution. So first thing what we have to do, first we have to draw the graph of y equal to greatest integer of e power x. So inside is what? E power x. So inside e power x we are taking some other function gx. So gx equal to we are taking e power x, and we have to draw the graph of y equal to greatest integer of g power x. Okay, now what you will do, first we will draw the graph of gx. Okay, what is gx graph? So gx is what? E power x. So this is y axis, this is x axis, this is origin y axis. So e power x graph what will come? This will come. This is the graph of gx equal to e power x. Now we know that, okay, gx, greatest integer, at integer right hand side it will have different value, left hand side it will have different value. For example, if I have greatest integer of m plus greatest integer of 1.01, it will be 1, and greatest integer of 0.99, it will be 0, and greatest integer of 1 is 1. So you can see left hand side of 1 we have 0.99, so their greatest integer value is what? 0, and right hand side of 1 is what? 1.01. Here we have value 1. So we can say that this greatest integer, it will change his value at integer, right hand side and left side different. So what you will do, we want greatest integer of gx, so we will find out where gx is integer, where gx is integer. So we know gx graph is what? This one. Gx is what? E power x. So this is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Correct na? So what are the integer possible? So gx can be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that possible. So we will find out x value for that gx is integer. So first integer is what? 1. Okay, first integer what? 1. So gx equal to 1. So 1 equal to what? E power x. So x value what will come? ln 1. ln 1 is what? 0. Okay, so gx is 1 when x is 0. So x is equal to 0 is here, and this value will come what? Gx equal to 1. Correct na? Next we are finding when gx is 2. Gx is 2. So with respect to 2, we are finding x value. This value what will come? Okay, so gx equal to 2 we are putting here. Gx equal to 2. So if I put here 2 equal to e power x, so x equal to what will come? ln 2. So x value what will come? ln 2. Next we are finding when gx is 3. So with respect to this one, we are finding x value. So this x value will come ln 3. Next we are finding when gx is 4. So with respect to x we are finding, with respect to gx we are finding x value. So x value will come ln 4. Like that we can take 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so further we will get x values. Okay, till here we have to draw the graph. Okay, so till here we will draw the graph of y equal to greatest integer of gx, and we have drawn gx equal to e power x graph. So to draw graph of this one, what you will do? So this graph is what? Y equal to gx graph, and we have to draw the graph of y equal to greatest integer of gx graph. So for that very important thing you have to remember, y equal to greatest integer of gx, this value, if gx belongs to closed interval m to m plus 1 open, where m is what? Integer. M is integer. If gx belongs to closed interval m to m plus 1, okay, then y equal to greatest integer of gx value what will come? Y equal to greatest integer of gx value what will come? In this interval what will come? M will come. For example, if y equal to greatest integer of gx, okay, if gx is belongs to closed interval 0 to 1, closed interval 0 to 1, then this value will come out, y equal to greatest integer of gx value what will come? 0 will come. Okay, similarly if gx value is what? 1 to 2, then greatest integer value what will come? 1 will come. So one by one we are discussing. Draw graph of y equal to greatest integer of gx. For that we will use this one. So gx belongs to closed interval m to m plus 1, then greatest integer of gx value will come what? M will come. So we have to see when gx is what? one integer to next integer. So these are consecutive integer. So if m is 6, so 6 to 7 will come. Okay, if m is 7, 7 to 8 will come. So you can see gx is what above y-axis. Okay, so we can say gx is what greater than 0 and next integer is what 1. So we can say here gx is greater than 0. That means gx belongs to what you call open bracket 0. Okay, and next integer, next after 0 what integer will become 1. Okay, so this is 1. 1 is what open. Okay, 0 we can take close, but 0 we will not take close because gx equal to 0 is not possible. Gx equal to 0 is not possible. So it is not necessary here will come close only. Okay, if gx equal to m is not possible, that means here will come open only. Same thing here also we are following, because gx equal to 0 is not possible, so we are taking open bracket 0 to 1. Okay, open bracket 0 to 1. So any value between 0 to 1 is there. So y equal to greatest integer of gx value what will come? Y equal to greatest of gx value what will come? 0 will come. Now you see when gx belongs to 0 to 1, then what is the x value will come? So gx is what 0 to 1. So with respect to 0 to 1 we will see graph. What graph is there? So 0 to 1 we are getting this graph. Okay, and this graph is starting from where? Minus infinite until here we are going 0. Okay, so gx equal to 1 is not included. That means x equal to 0 also not included. So what interval will come? X belongs to what will come? Minus infinite to 0. 0 is open. Why open? Because gx equal to 1 is not included. Okay, so gx equal to 1 is not included. So with respect to 1, what is the x value? 0. So x equal to 0 also not included. So minus infinite to 0. Okay, y equal to greatest of gx value what will come? 0. So we will get y equal to 0 line. So in this interval minus infinite to 0, what line will get? Y equal to 0 line will get. So we will get y equal to 0 line. So this line is what? Y equal to 0. And this is not included. Why not included? Because gx equal to 1 is not included. So x equal to 0 is not included. Okay, so this point will come open circle. Okay, next we are saying, so 0 to 1 we have checked. Then 1 to 2 we will check. So gx belongs to, so 1 is possible. So close interval 1 and open interval 2 we will take. Correct? This will always be open only, and this will be close also possible, open also possible. Okay, and close when possible? When gx equal to that m possible. Okay, so here gx equal to 1 is possible, so 1 is closed, 2 is always open. So gx equal to 1 to 2 you check. So 1 to 2 is what? What graph? This graph is there. Okay, so this graph from where to where is coming? X equal to 0 to x equal to ln2. So x equal to 0 to x equal to ln2, we are getting this graph, and this graph from lie from where to where? 1 to 2. Correct? So gx equal to 1 at x equal to 0. Correct? So we will get x belongs to closed interval 0. Correct? Gx equal to 1 is included, so x equal to 0 is included, comma gx equal to 2. So with respect to x value is what? ln2. So you can say gx 2 is not included. Gx value 2 is not possible, so x equal to ln2 also not included. So ln2 will come, open bracket will come. So when gx is closed interval 1 to 2, then y equal to greatest integer of gx value what will come? This will come 1. So we can say 0 to ln2, greatest integer of gx is what? 1. So what line will y equal to 1? So we will draw y equal to 1 line. So this is closed and this is open, because x equal to ln2 is what? Not included. So this value also not included. So we will get y equal to greatest integer of gx equal to 1. This will come. Next is what? Gx belongs to, next integer what to come? 2 to 3. 2 to 3. 3 is open, 2 is closed. So gx belongs to 2 to 3. What we have to check? Gx is 2, gx is 3. So which graph is going? This one. So with respect to this one, what are the x point is coming? So gx equal to 2, what point is going? X equal to ln2. So x belongs to, see, gx equal to 2 is included, so x equal to ln2 is included. So x belongs to ln2. 2. See, gx equal to 3 we are getting at x equal to ln3. So gx equal to 3 is what? Not included. So x equal to ln3 also not included. So 3 is open. So in this interval, gx value is what? 2 to 3. So y equal to greatest integer of gx value what will come? 2 will come. Correct? So here you can see from a 2 value and ln2 to ln3, y equal to what will come? 2 will come. So this line will come. And this is open bracket, because x equal to ln3 is not included. So 2 is not included. So the here will come y equal to greatest integer of gx equal to 2 will get. Next you will check. So 2 to 3 done. Then gx belongs to next integer what? 3 to 4. 4 is open. So gx equal to 3 to 4. Which interval we are getting? This interval we are getting. So x belongs to what? Closed interval ln3, and 4 is not included, so ln4 also not included. So y equal to greatest integral of gx. So gx lies from 3 to 4, correct? So greatest integral value will become 3. So y equal to 3 line will get in this interval. So what line will get? 3, and this will come. So this is graph of what? Y equal to greatest integral of gx. Okay, so you can see this graph is getting this one, then step, then this one, then this one. Okay, so like that we are getting the graph of y equal to greatest integral of gx. Okay, and for gx is what? E power x. So we are getting graph of y equal to greatest integral of e power x. And how to define the function? So very simple is that we can say that y equal to greatest integral of gx. Okay, x belongs to minus infinite to 0. 0 is what? Open. Then this value is coming y equal to 0. Next is what? X belongs to closed interval 0 to 1. 1 is 0 to ln2. ln2 is what? Open. 0 to ln2. So this value y equal to greatest integral of gx value what will come? 1 will come. So y equal to 1 we are getting. Next what? X belongs to, next interval is what? ln2 to ln3. So ln2 is closed. So closed interval ln2 to ln3. So what is greatest integral of gx value we are getting? 2. So what will come? Y equal to 2. Next is what? X belongs to closed interval ln3 to ln4. X belongs to closed interval ln3 to ln4. So here what we are getting? Y equal to greatest of gx equal to 3. So this will come y equal to 3. So similarly we can find others also.